on there?
Yeah.
You want to try that one?
Yeah.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Hang on, the wrench slipped. It's coming though. Okay. All right, that one came off. Nuts lost in the frame, but I'll get it later. Okay. So that should be done.
Hang on.
Okay.
Okay. That's one.
Okay.
Now I gotta
Go behind me on this side.
Yeah. Okay, so this is gonna hurt, but all right.
Wait a minute. Let me move my knee.
You don't need to worry about it. I'm good. I got it. No. Oh, that's all that was holding the bumper on too? Yep. Okay. Well. Yep. That's all.
I'm glad I moved my knee.
All right. This should come off now. Okay. There we go. That's the first piece we're gonna reuse.
Huh?
This is the first piece we're gonna reuse.
Yeah. There's the whole damn thing.
Yep. Whew. There we go. All right. Let me yank this out. And then
Okay.
pull that out too.
Well, I guess that's what we were wanting to do, huh?
Yep. There we go.
Found some nuts and washers. I added to the can here.
Okay. I'm gonna have some more for you shortly.
Okay.
Where did that go? No. You ever drop something that goes right to the twilight zone?
Yeah.
Never comes back again?
Yeah.
The other day when I had this thing out of here, I swept the floor, made it nice so we could be able to find stuff, and it's all gone.
You know what'll work even better?
What?
A socket
Okay.
with a little tiny ratchet.
Okay. My problem is that these are inside of a channel, and that's what makes them so hard to get to.
Yeah.
Why would this ever be this tight? Doesn't make sense.
I don't know.
Nope.
What is it?
It's a fender bolt. I don't know why it would ever be that tight. But it's so tight that even me bench pressing it, I can't move it. At all. The thing is tight. That's what I thought. I must have been pissed when I put this fender back on. I can't believe how tight it was.
Well, that was in your younger days.
It was, yeah, but it was tight enough to hold the whole world. It doesn't have to be that tight. Well, the two bottom ones are missing, so that makes it easier.
Yeah, this thing's just flopping in the breeze now.
It's going to come down, and it's okay. It won't hurt me.
I'll remember you said that.
Yeah. You can tell me all about it when you drive me to the hospital.
Yeah.
No, it came down on the tire. That's fine.
Okay.
Alright, that's one. That makes life easier. Oh yeah, it makes life way easier to get to stuff. Oh, that bolt broke off in there. That's why it came off so easy. What do we got here? This is this. And that's the horn, which I should be able to unplug right there.
That'll work.
This goes to the fender light, which I can unplug right there. This goes to the marker light, which I can unplug right here. This comes over here. This relay, I don't know what it goes to, but I'm unplugging it. That doesn't go to anything.
There's the one I want.
Charcoal canister.
There's the one I want.
Charcoal canister needs to go. This is the battery cable. That can go away. Oh, might help if I took the battery out of the fender well. That could be handy. Okay.
That might do it.
Then maybe I can take the battery tray out too. So I can keep that. Alright, everything is disconnected from this fender now. I'm not going to reuse this heater hose.
Yeah, that's the right size.
Power tools.
You know what I think we need to do?
What?
Let's cut this.
Okay. You want to do it or you want me to do it?
I can do it.
Okay. Have fun. I'm going to get underneath her and start working on the fender.
Oh, hell, it still had fluid in it.
Everything that I use on the other side is a different size on this side.
Figures.
Well, I've never seen that before either.
What?
You ever had a nut get stuck in the open end of an open end wrench?
No.
Yeah, me either. First time.
No, I haven't. Well, that looked like it.
Yep, that's one of them. There's two of them.
Is it still hooked to something? It is. Not anymore. Okay.
Now that's cool.
Yep.
Now that's an engine.
Right.
You bet.
And just let me know when it gets straight.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll work.